Today we're going full on hipster and making hop water. It's like beer. Not really. Just watch the video.
So we're making hop water today. Well, we're making just a test batch.
Yeah,
So how big is that thing?
I think it's 128 ounces.
Okay.
A little bit over 2 liters.
Yeah.
We haven't made this before,
Right.
so we're
Yeah.
not trying to make 5 gallons if it's going to be terrible.
Right.
So this is kind of the journey to making that perfect 5-gallon batch of hop water that we can just have on tap in the office, which will be extremely nice.
Right. Hops and water, basically the ingredients. We're using lemon drop hops, lemon juice.
Yeah, and you're a little bit of flavor and drop the pH a little bit.
Yeah. And water. You could add optional ingredients, yeast,
Right.
or like a non-fermentable sugar. The goal here is to not create alcohol, so you would add a non-fermentable sugar. Yeah. We don't know, dude, this is...
Basically, for us, we're just going to add water, hops, a little lemon juice, see what happens. Because
Okay.
we've never done it.
Right.
We don't know.
Yeah.
We're not, what are we, hop water people?
Yeah. We're gonna heat it up on a hot plate, but we're using our 120 volt controller actually to control, because this is just like an on-y-offy type deal. So I'm just gonna set that to high. We have this hot plate plugged into the controller, so this is just like a kettle at this point.
Yeah, just like a heating element.
Right. We're gonna boil? What are we gonna... Yeah, we're gonna boil.
Are we going to boil?
Yeah, we're gonna boil.
Okay, we're going to boil.
Well, I think the idea is that you sterilize the water first. The pH will also help like kill anything that's in there, dropping the pH. But I mean, everything we read was that you sterilize it first.
Boiling probably does something, maybe with the oxygen.
Oh, we're supposed to deaerate it.
Deaerate
okay,
it.
so we're definitely gonna boil.
So we'll boil for how long? Probably not
I think that
too long.
deaerates water.
I don't know. Someone who knows things, let us know.
I think let's just bring it up to a boil and then we'll
let it cool down.
Let it cool back down. All right, and then we'll come back in a second with the second step.
I did a bunch of research. There's not a whole lot of folks making the hop water, at least on the typical forums, and a few things on Reddit, but read some cans of some commercially available hop water, which I haven't been able to get my hands on because it's insanely expensive.
Yeah, we tried to buy some and we couldn't find any.
None of the shops. The shops here don't carry it because what were they charging for a case?
They said their wholesale price was like $34 a case,
which is insane.
That was Lagunitas. But,
okay. There's a couple others I found as well.
Yeah, what I heard actually was like InBev and maybe even like Coors are moving into the hop water market. So.
Oh wow, I could see that. LaCroix probably destroys it. So.
Yeah.
Boil done. Chill down to 170. We'll just let nature do with the cooling.
Yeah, it happens that way.
Yep.
If you let it.
And then I just set the controller to 170 to maintain. So it just dropped and it's hanging.
So, do you remember the pH we were shooting for?
It's in the email. 4 point something? Let me look at the email. 4.6 or lower.
We're at like 6.5.
All right, I'm gonna start with a squeeze.
Yeah, man.
See where that gets us.
Sure. Oh yeah.
Oh god.
Oh jeez.
That was a little bit of an aggressive squeeze.
Dude, unbelievable.
Perfect. 4.6.
So we're at 3.7. Our target was 4.6.
Yeah, arbitrarily, yeah.
Okay.
We could probably add water to it.
Nah, we're fine. I think it just needs to be under 4.
We were just gonna do that for safety.
4.6.
So we're gonna do 5 grams.
Okay.
That seemed like a good place to start.
Right. It's like a very small amount essentially.
Yeah.
But we're not really using that much water.
I'm going off of the numbers. It might be too bitter.
Yeah.
Because I think he did 6 grams total, but I think he did 1 or 2 grams in a whirlpool, then the rest were dry hop. And we're trying not to dry hop.
Yeah.
So maybe let's cut it.
Dude, I almost want like half.
Yeah, that seems like a lot. So let's want to do like 2 grams? See where that gets.
Sure.
Because we can always dry hop it.
Let's do 2 grams. It would be a good starting point. Now we got our hops. We're gonna just add our hops in here. All right. Okay. All right.
All right.
Got it.
Yeah.
So we're filtering these hops out with this here bag. And then we're gonna just leave it cool down in this little keg. Smells lemony.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, let's see here. Let's just pop this guy in our beverage fridge and then we'll carb it up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Drink
I'm excited.
Sweet. Welcome back to the latter half of our hop water video. I'm Hoppy Barlow filling in for Kyle, and we're gonna carbonate this here hop water, which is now cooled down to what, serving temp, 41 degrees?
Nice and nice and cold.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quick carb this. I'm gonna bump the pressure up to like 50. Since it's such a small amount, just shake it for like, I don't know, 30 seconds?
Yeah, it's like half a gallon in there. Is
Little-
it carved up?
Well, I don't know. That's the question. Did we carb it up yet? I don't know. Yeah. It's carved up.
Not really carved up yet. Maybe give it a minute. Can you have overcarbonated water?
I don't know.
I don't know. Definitely better carbonated.
Dude, I'm surprised.
It's not bad.
Dude, it is not bad.
I think
I like this better
I think the hop ratio is pretty much perfect.
I think so too.
Because it's you get enough of it, but it's not like gross.
Right.
That's probably the proper word.
So it has like a bit of a green, like a yellowish green tint to it. There's definitely like some suspended hop particles in there.
Yeah.
I drink a lot of LaCroix. You drink a lot of LaCroix as well, right?
Yeah.
I like this. I'm going to say better than LaCroix.
Yes.
Better than like most kinds of LaCroix.
I don't even think it needs sweetener. I figured it'd be kind of like gross or need salt or something, but
Yeah, my thought was it probably was not going to be palatable without like a tiny bit of sugar in it.
yeah.
Not the case. You get just a tiny bit of lemon and mostly just like hop, just like a general hop.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, me too. Sweet.
I would say make a batch like we did. Try it out. I mean, it costs what? Nothing.
Sweet. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of our videos. Bye-bye.